Hello there, ready for a kitchen adventure? Today, we're making BBQ pulled pork sliders, the ultimate party food. Imagine soft buns stuffed with juicy, flavorful pork. They're a hit with everyone, easy to eat, and always bring smiles. These sliders start as simple ingredients, but with a bit of love, they transform into something special. It's the story of slow-cooked pork shoulder mingling with sweet, tangy BBQ sauce. A tale of comfort and good times. Having a plate of these is like putting on a show for your guests, but they're surprisingly easy to make. The secret? They're the perfect balance: soft buns, tender pork, and a dollop of BBQ sauce in every bite. Not too messy, not too big, just right. They bring people together, everyone reaching for just one more. So let's roll up our sleeves. Even if you've never made them before, I'll guide you every step. Think of it as a fun project, like sculpting with clay, but tastier. By the end, you'll have a tray of magnificent BBQ pulled pork sliders. They'll be the star of your next gathering, I promise. Ready? Let's get started. Smashing! First, let's gather our cast of characters. The star pork shoulder, about 2 kilograms, with a bit of fat for juiciness. Next, the spice rub brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and a dash of cayenne if you like heat. These spices create a beautiful crust and loads of flavor. For the cooking, liquid apple cider vinegar for tang, chicken or veg broth for depth, and a splash of apple juice for sweetness. This trio keeps the pork moist and adds layers of flavor. Now, the supporting cast: small, soft slider buns, brioche or potato rolls work best, and of course, BBQ sauce. We'll talk about making your own soon, but store-bought works in a pinch. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and fun. It's like setting up your animation stage before filming. With all your bits and bobs in place, you're ready for the next step. Let's get cooking. The adventure begins now. Gather up. This is going to be delicious. Onward. Time to prep our pork shoulder for its starring role. Pat the pork dry with paper towels. This helps the spice rub stick. In a bowl, mix your brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and cayenne. Stir well so every bite is packed with flavor. Now get your hands in there. Rub the spice mix all over the pork, covering every nook and cranny. This creates a flavorful bark as it cooks. If you have time, let the pork rest in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. This deepens the flavor. If you're short on time, you can cook it right away. Either way, you're setting the stage for something delicious. The pork is now ready for its slow cooking adventure. Simple, hands-on, and full of promise. Let's move on to the magic of slow cooking. The transformation is about to begin. Ready? Let's go. Your masterpiece awaits. On to the next act. Now, let the slow cooker work its magic. Place your seasoned pork shoulder in the pot. Pour the apple cider vinegar, broth, and apple juice around the sides. Don't wash off the rub. The liquid should come about a third up the meat, creating a steamy, flavorful environment. Lid on. Set to low for 8 to 10 hours, or high for 4 to 5 if you're short on time. Low and slow gives the most tender, fall-apart pork. Resist peaking. Every time you lift the lid, you lose heat and slow the process. Trust the transformation. Tough pork becomes tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. The aroma will fill your home and build anticipation. Let the slow cooker do its thing. Soon you'll have pork that shreds at the touch of a fork. Patience pays off here. The wait is worth it. Almost there. Next up, sauce and assembly. While the pork cooks, let's whip up a quick homemade BBQ sauce. In a saucepan, combine ketchup, brown sugar or molasses, apple cider vinegar, and Worcestershire sauce. Add smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and a dash of hot sauce or cayenne for heat. Whisk everything together and bring to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it bubble for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally, until thick and glossy. Taste and adjust. Add more sweetness or tang as you like. Once it's just right, take it off the heat. You've made a sauce that's rich, tangy, and full of character. If you're short on time, a good store-bought sauce works too. Either way, you're ready for the final act. The sauce is ready for its big debut. Let's bring it all together. Time for the grand finale. The pork is done. Time for the big reveal. Lift the pork from the slow cooker and let it rest for 10-15 minutes. Skim excess fat from the cooking liquid. Save that flavorful liquid. Now shred the pork with 2 forks into tender strands, discarding any big bits of fat. Add a few ladles of the cooking liquid back into the shredded pork to keep it juicy. pour in your BBQ sauce, start with a cup, mix, and add more if needed. Slice your slider buns in half. Pile the saucy pork onto the bottom half of each bun. Top with the other half. Your perfect slider is born. Repeat until you have a tray full of deliciousness. These sliders are ready to steal the show. Serve them up hot and fresh. You've created a masterpiece. Get ready for applause. The crowd will love them. Enjoy every bite. To keep your sliders perfect, return the sauced pork to the slow cooker on warm until serving. Set up a slider station buns on one side, warm pork on the other, and let guests build their own. This keeps everything fresh and interactive. Add bowls of toppings, coleslaw, pickles or pickled onions for extra crunch and tang. Classic sides like potato crisps or a green salad pair beautifully. These sliders are more than a snack. They're a conversation starter and a crowd pleaser. Every bite brings warmth and joy to your gathering. When your friends taste that tender pork in a soft bun, they'll be chuffed. It's food that makes people happy. That's what a good party is all about. Give it a whirl. Your sliders will be the talk of the town. Serve, smile, and enjoy. Smashing job.